Remodeling your home doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, where seasonal changes and long-term property value matter, making smart, cost-effective upgrades can go a long way. Whether you're refreshing a single room or improving your entire home, there are plenty of ways to achieve great results while staying within budget. One of the best places to start is by prioritizing high-impact areas. Kitchens and bathrooms tend to offer the most noticeable improvements and the best return on investment. However, you don't always need a full renovation. Simple updates like replacing cabinet hardware, refinishing surfaces, or updating fixtures can give these spaces a fresh, modern look without the cost of a complete overhaul. Another effective tip is to focus on cosmetic upgrades. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most affordable ways to transform any room. Choosing neutral, modern colors can instantly brighten your space and make it feel more inviting. In addition to walls, consider updating trim, doors, or even cabinets with paint to give your home a cohesive, updated appearance. Improving lighting is another budget-friendly way to enhance your home. Swapping out outdated light fixtures for modern designs can dramatically change the look and feel of a room. Adding layered lighting, such as a combination of overhead lights, lamps, and accent lighting, can also make your space more functional and comfortable. For Rochester Hills homeowners, energy efficiency upgrades are especially valuable. Simple improvements like sealing gaps around windows and doors, adding weather stripping, or upgrading to energy-efficient lighting can reduce utility bills while improving comfort. If your budget allows, replacing older windows or adding insulation can provide long-term savings and make your home more appealing. Another cost-effective strategy is to refinish instead of replace. Instead of installing new flooring, consider refinishing hardwood floors or deep cleaning and restoring existing materials. Cabinets can often be refaced or painted instead of replaced, saving a significant amount of money while still achieving a fresh look. Don't overlook the impact of decluttering and reorganizing your space. Sometimes, improving your home's functionality doesn't require construction at all. Adding shelving, storage solutions, or reorganizing furniture can make your home feel more spacious and efficient. This is especially helpful in smaller areas where maximizing space is important. If you're planning multiple upgrades, consider tackling projects in phases. Breaking your remodeling plans into smaller steps allows you to manage costs more effectively and avoid financial strain. It also gives you time to evaluate each change and adjust your plans as needed. Shopping smart is another key to staying on budget. Look for sales, discounts, or gently used materials that can still deliver great results. Many homeowners find quality fixtures, cabinetry, or decor at reduced prices through local suppliers or resale stores. With a little creativity, you can achieve a high-end look without overspending. For those willing to take on some hands-on work, DIY projects can offer significant savings. Tasks like painting, installing hardware, or assembling furniture are often manageable without professional help. However, it's important to know your limits. More complex projects like electrical or structural work should always be handled by professionals to ensure safety and quality. Curb appeal is another area where small investments can make a big difference. Simple updates like landscaping, cleaning exterior surfaces, or upgrading your front door can greatly improve your home's appearance. These changes not only make your home more enjoyable but can also increase its value. Finally, always plan ahead and set a realistic budget. Having a clear vision and prioritizing your needs helps prevent overspending and ensures you get the most value from your investment. In the end, remodeling your Rochester Hills home on a budget is all about making smart choices. By focusing on impactful updates, improving efficiency, and taking a strategic approach, you can create a more comfortable and stylish home without breaking the bank.